Dear students of class 12th, let us continue EVS. Today we will discuss about the classification of soils. As per ICAR, the Indian soils are classified into following 8 categories. First one is alluvial soils. These soils which are carried out and deposited by running water are known as alluvial soils. वो सॉइल्स जो डिपॉजिट होती है रनिंग वाटर से उन सॉइल्स को एलुवियल सॉइल्स कहते हैं. These are formed in coastal plains, Indo-Gaga Brahmaputra plains and river valleys. Such soils contain different mineral matter constituents like sand, clay and silt in different proportions. इन सॉइल्स में मिनरल मैटर होता है जैसे कि सैंड होता है, क्ले और सिलिट होती है डिफरेंट प्रोपोर्शंस में. The alluvial soils which are newer and are deposited by rivers every year are known as khadar and are very fertile. वो वाली alluvial soil जो नई होती हैं, जो हर साल rivers deposit करते हैं, उनको खादर कहते हैं और वो बहुत ज़्यादा fertile होती हैं. Which are the old alluvial soils contain pebbles and calcium carbonate are known as bangar. तो जो पुरानी एलुवियल सॉइल्स होती हैं उनमें पेबल्स होती हैं, उनमें कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट होता है, उनको भांगर सॉइल्स कहते हैं. द कलर ऑफ एलुवियल सॉइल्स मे बी ग्रे, ब्राउन और येलो एंड वेरी रिच इन पोटाश, फॉस्फोरस, लाइम एंड कार्बन कंपाउंड्स बट मे बी डिफिशिएंट इन नाइट्रोजन. तो जो एलुवियल सॉइल्स होती है उनका कलर जो होता है वो ग्रे भी हो सकता है, ब्राउन भी, येलो भी हो सकता है. ये बहुत ज़्यादा रिच होती है, उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा पोटाश होता है, फॉस्फोरस होता है, लाइम, कार्बन कंपाउंड्स होते हैं, मगर ये नाइट्रोजन की डिफिशिएंसी इनमें होती है, नाइट्रोजन में ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. सेकंड वन इज ब्लैक सॉइल्स. द ब्लैक सॉइल्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड रिगर और ब्लैक कॉटन सॉइल्स बिकॉज कॉटन बीइंग द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्रॉप ग्रोन इन इट. ब्लैक सॉइल्स का और भी एक नाम है रेगर सॉइल्स या ब्लैक कॉटन सॉइल्स भी उन्हें कहते हैं क्योंकि उनमें कॉटन की पैदावार बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. These soils are formed by the solidification of lava spread over Deccan Plateau. ये solidification of lava से बनती हैं. Deccan Plateau में जब solidification of lava होता है तो वहाँ पे black soils बनती है. Dark black color of such soils is due to presence of high organic matter or titaniferous magnetite, a compound of iron and aluminum. इनका जो black color होता है वो एक compound की वजह से होता है जो iron और aluminum का बना होता है. These soils are rich in calcium, magnesium, aluminum, potash and lime but deficient in nitrogen and humus. उसके बाद आता है red soils. These soils form the disintegration of crystalline and metamorphic rocks in heavy rainfall areas. The red color of these soils is due to presence of iron oxide. These are rich in ferromagnetism minerals and have low moisture retaining capacity. Thus, these soils require frequent irrigation when put under crop cultivation. These soils are rich in iron, magnesium, aluminum, but deficient in humus, nitrogen, and phosphates. The next one is laterite soils. These are residual soils found under typical monsoon conditions by leaching process, hence are mainly found on the hilltops. Heavy rainfall in these areas washes away the lime and silica content in humid climates and slopy terrains, hence these soils are deficient in siliceous minerals but rich in oxides of iron and aluminum. Such soils are only suitable for growth of bushes and pastures. Next one is forest soils. These soils are also known as mountainous soils. These are formed by diffusion of organic matter from woodlands and forests. These are spread over Himalayas and are yet under formation process. These contain stone pieces and pebbles and differ from place to place due to varied climate and ecological conditions of the area. Due to excessive presence of organic matter and less decomposed humus, these are acidic in nature. The next one is arid and desert soils. These soils contain large quantities of sand and are mainly distributed in arid and semi-arid regions of Rajasthan. These soils are less fertile, light in color, containing high concentration of soluble salts and phosphorus, but lack in carbon compounds and nitrogen. Such soils are suitable for the growth of salt-tolerating and drought-resistant crops. Next one is saline and alkaline soils. The withering and decomposition of various rocks and mineral fragments release sodium, magnesium and calcium salts, which are transported in solution by water and hence make the soils alkaline or saline. Sometimes the silics as a result of evaporation and making the accumulation of these salts in surface layers possible. In other areas like coastal areas, the sea tides also deposit salts in nearby areas which make the soils unfit for agriculture. Next one is peaty and marsh soils. These are black, highly acidic and high proportion of vegetable matter especially found in humid regions. Most of these are underwater during rainy season and are different in potash and phosphate. The color of marshy soils is grey or dark black due to presence of organic matter. So this was today's topic, types of soils. Thanks.